I have near constant back pain caused by too much sitting and too many deadlifts, and so I decided to try getting a Thai massage, which is famous for quite literally stretching your body to its limits, to see if it could help. Fern, the proprietor of one of New York City's only authentic Thai massage parlors and master Thai massage therapist, gave me much of the massage personally, and I learned that she is quite strong. Before we get back to the video, just real quick wanted to thank Raycon for sponsoring it. I've been using them for literally years on a daily basis. Raycon was actually co-founded by the R&B singer Ray J and is popular with tons of celebrities, including Snoop Dogg and me, if you consider me a celebrity. But beyond just like sounding great, they also cost half the price of other premium earbuds. So you get great sound quality without breaking the bank. They're also super durable and last a very, very long time. To give you a great example of this, I recently took my pair of Raycons to the Amazon jungle, and my Raycons lasted me the entire time. And that's because Raycons are super durable, they're water resistant, and they also have 8 hours of playtime and 32 hours of battery life with the included case. They're gonna serve you very well. But even if you don't travel to places like the Amazon jungle on a regular basis, they're still really useful for just listening to music around the house or while going to work. And because they're so sweat resistant and durable, I don't have to worry that they're gonna get messed up during any of my daily activities. Raycon also has a 30-day free return policy, so in the unlikely event you hate them, you can always get your money back. So if you are interested in getting a pair of Raycons today in one of the many cool colors that they offer, make sure you go to buyraycon.com/Xiaomanyc for 15% off your first order today. And without further ado, it's back to the video. Let's go.
Hi.
Oh.
Hi, welcome.
Hi. Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Sawadika. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Ari.
Yes,
Ari.
Fern.
Fern.
Yes,
nice to meet you.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm ready to get a massage.
Oh, I'm going
Today.
to meet you today. Okay.
What? This is my first time.
For the Thai massage.
First time, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try. Follow
Okay.
me, please.
Wow. Oh,
This is the one. You're going to have a massage in this room. You're going to take off your shirt, alright, and then get on the table.
Over here.
Go face down, and we're going to work on you. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
A little bit nervous.
You like to walk first?
Walk?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Step on your back.
My back?
Yes.
Yeah, just do what you need to do. I always have lots of soreness in my body.
You work out too?
Yeah, yeah. Hopefully this will be good.
You ready?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You sure?
Oh my, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is good. Oh. Oh, it's like stretching my legs out.
Yes, now.
Wow.
You on your back. Your hand.
Yeah.
Give your hand. Hold my hand.
Okay.
Hold my hand.
Oh, that was a stretch. Oh my God. My whole body's being stretched apart. Oh, God. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so twisty. Oh, here we go.
Your hand.
Okay. I didn't know my body could move like this. Oh no. I don't like the looks of this. Oh my God. I don't think my bones have ever moved like this before in my entire life.
Okay, now I'm going to do on the back.
Okay.
On the legs. This side. Okay.
Oh, whoa. Oh, God. Oh, that's crazy. My calves.
That's what you're asking for.
Yeah,
That's
I heard it.
all the stretching of
I
the
heard
Thai
it.
massage.
My back cracked. I'm sweating. Oh, that stretch. Oh, that stretch.
You crying?
I'm crying.
Yes. You have to make your face look nice. When this is you get the review, but
No.
I didn't get any review because of your face reaction.
No, trust me. This is good. This is really good. I love it. I feel so good right now. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now, happy baby.
Okay.
Baby.
Baby?
Happy baby.
Happy baby. What is happy baby? Oh, oh my god. See, I know this looks kind of crazy, but actually it feels so good.
And have your hand.
Yes. It's a bit intense though.
Okay.
Oh, oh. Oh, damn. You're really strong.
Yes.
Wow. I guess you have to be to do this type of massage.
You sweat already.
Yeah, I know. I'm so. Yeah.
Straight your leg a little bit. Straight your leg.
Straight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, God.
Arch your back, head all over. Very good. Yes.
Oh. Oh. Whoa.
Head up. Very good. Yes.
You ever played Mortal Kombat? Finish him. Yeah. Finish him.
Now you want walk?
Oh,
Let's
sure.
walk.
Okay, great.
That was just the warm up.
My back feels like, whoa,
Mm.
so different. Oh my god. I could feel it instantly. It just feels like so stretched. Because I always feel like sore in my back. For the first time in a while, I really feel like my back is not painful.
That means
which is really nice.
You maybe not stretching enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. You need more Thai massage. You're going to get more flexibility,
Yeah.
more movement, feel better with the sleeping too. Because all the
Sleeping.
joy, yes, all the joy is more open after
The joy?
massage. Yes,
Oh,
every
yeah.
joy because we working on the joy too.
Great.
All right.
Wow, I already feel more joy.
Ready to walk?
Okay, let's go. Let's go walk.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh, I felt that one in my butt. Oh. Oh man. Well, every time she steps on me, like my leg gets stretched a little bit too. Cause my leg is like hooked around.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like a combo.
มันจะได้มีบาลานซ์มือจับตามขึ้นมาอีก
Oh my god.
Oh
my god. This is almost too much. Wow.
ไม่ต้องหนักมาก
Oh, I'm dying. This is so good.
จะเหยียบท่าไหนได้
Oh.
เหยียบขึ้นหลังได้แล้ว อย่างนี้ปะ
My legs feel like
อันนั้นพี่ทำ
jello.
แล้วอันนั้น
Total
เดิ
jello.
นไปที่นะ
พี่ทำแล้ว
อ๋อทำแล้ว โอเค
Oh.
งั้นหนูก็ไม่ต้องทำ
ทำเดี๋ยวนางจะได้จับ
Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh, oh it's stretching my whole body. Oh, holy cow.
เดี๋ยวนางจะจับต่อ
Oh.
Oh my god. I don't think I've ever felt so much pleasure in my entire life. This is great. Wow. It's really stretching my hamstrings.
สองข้างยังไงอะ
ขึ้นไปเหยียบบนหลังเลยอะแล้ว
อ๋อ
เราจับ
แบบให้นวดพี่เลอย่างนั้นเหรอ
เออ
Oh, it's so stretchy. Holy cow. Whoa. Oh.
ขึ้นเหยียบน้ำอะสองเท้าปึ้มปึ้มปึ้มหนึ่งสองสามเอาเท้าจิกจิ้มลงไปสองสาม
Did you learn how to do this in Thailand?
Yes.
Are there schools you go to?
Yeah,
Is it?
in Thailand and in the school.
Yeah, wow.
You want to forehand?
What is four hands?
You're going to feel it.
Okay. This is amazing. Wow, this is cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is definitely unusual, but really wonderful. Yeah. Home Chopkin.
Can speak Thai
ผมพูดภาษาไทยนิดหน่อย
Really
Yeah. ผมที่ประเทศไทย ผมที่ประเทศไทยเรียน
How many
เรีย
days?
น 2 weeks?
2 weeks
Yeah, 3 weeks. No, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah.
oh, oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's good.
Wow.
Oh, shit. I love that.
The juice is come out from your mouth. Fell
The-
asleep.
The juices? Oh, yeah. Right. I'm drooling a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
She's going to walk on you, right? Just
What is the-
walking.
What are those?
It's thick.
Sticks?
For balance. For
For
balance.
for balance. Okay.
Yes, for balance.
A little bit scary looking.
Yes. Oh, my feet. Oh, that's good.
You're going to like. You're going to like it.
Okay, great. Ooh. Holy shit. This is terrifying. I'm like afraid to move. The tiniest movement.
Just focus on your breath
Okay. I think I'm crying again. Whoa! That was the Mortal Kombat death blow right there. The finisher. Oh my. Oh! Wow! Oh my god.
Now, can I move? Am I? Oh. Wow. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. You're very welcome.
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ I hope you guys enjoy and you feel better.
Yeah, I feel
Get
really,
more
really good.
storm.
Everybody should
Sounds
come
good.
check you guys out here, right here in New York City, Midtown Manhattan.
Yes, Midtown Manhattan.
You can get an
yes.
amazing, authentic Thai massage right here.
Yes.